In this video, I'll show you how to enable autoplay for Facebook videos in just a few simple steps. Autoplay allows videos in your Facebook feed to start playing automatically as you scroll. This makes it easier to watch content without needing to tap on each video. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Next, scroll down until you find the Media section and tap on Media. This is where Facebook manages video and photo settings. Here you'll see the autoplay option. Tap on it, and you'll see different choices such as on mobile data and Wi-Fi, on Wi-Fi only, and never autoplay videos. To fully enable autoplay, select on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Once you choose this option, videos in your Facebook feed will start playing automatically as you scroll. And that's it. That's how you can enable autoplay for Facebook videos. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.